I'm Oscar. I studied plumbing. It was my career change into a trade, which was very exciting. I decided to laterally upskill or change in career. Yeah, just wanted to be a little more practical with my hands. Thought it'd be a good thing to learn, be in a trade, something that you can't lose. Just being receptive to somebody that's had a lot more experience than you and understanding and respecting that while they might not use the words you use or they're not your vibe, that's fine. But being receptive to the information that was given and just giving it a shot. Like, you just got to get in there and see what happens. Once they knew that you were giving it a shot, most people would go out of their way to give you a little bit more advice or help you. Like, have you seen this before? No, that's why you're not doing. Like, first time I used a demo saw, I have no idea, and I tried to fumble my way through it for a bit, and I just had to put my hand up and be like, mate, I've never seen what this does, and it looks like it could probably take my foot off. There was a lot of younger students. They're still at the age where their brain's a sponge, you know, that they can just be by osmosis, and some of them were picking it up so quickly. For me, it was a conscious effort. I think I had to work a little bit harder in some aspects, but I mean, it's no fun if it's easy, right? I feel like it's a disservice to yourself if you're not giving the best, or you're at least trying to put your best foot forward. It might not be your best foot at the moment, but I mean, that's all you can really give, irregardless of whatever you're doing, whether it's a trade or anything in life. I feel like just give it the best you can.